Get out from that darkness. Go turn on a light or something. I would if I could. I woke up and I don't have power. I don't have water. And there's snow on the ground in Houston, Texas. So I am perplexed. I'm so confused. Like, I went to sleep and it was Valentine's Day, and then I woke up and it was like Snowmageddon. Like, I don't know, y'all. I just don't know. I'm gonna call my brother and see if he has power. I can't leave my bed because my bed is so warm and it's so cold outside. I really have to pee, but I just cannot get up. So here we are. And I know also I am from the north. I'm aware of that. I know I'm from Michigan. Okay, I know Michigan is a polar vortex in itself. But I feel like if I'm telling you that it's cold, it's cold. It's like 18 to 20 degrees outside. Oh my goodness. So we're oh my goodness. I don't know, y'all. I just don't know.
Where's it at? Do you see it?
What's the sign?
We are trying to find a home because it's cold.
I really don't.
And we have no power because Houston doesn't know what to do when
Oh, I see the subway, but I
it
think
gets
it's
cold. So a majority of the city lost power, y'all. So now we gotta go check into a hotel, but everyone in Houston is trying to do what we're doing. So all these hotels are booked. So now we gotta go to what is it called? Beaumont, which is an hour and what?
Texas, hour 30 minutes.
It's an hour and a half away, just so we can get some electricity and some warm water. Wow. We actually got a reservation at a hotel in Houston. As soon as we got to the hotel, there was no power, so we gotta throw the whole city away.
Yeah, I don't know what the line is for. So
This is ridiculous, y'all. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. Jayla, say good morning.
good morning.
I don't know if you can see her. You probably can't. Status report. We checked into a hotel in Beaumont, which is an hour and a half. What, right? An hour and a half?
Yeah.
An hour and a half outside of Houston. This morning, this hotel lost power. It's funny when you think about it. No, it's not. I don't know. So now we are on our way, or we're going to get ready to go to Louisiana because they got power over there. So here we are. Just a couple of unfortunate souls. Is that even what I'm trying to say? No, I'm not, but I'm just so perplexed. But again, I'm very grateful because at least, we can go somewhere and get warm. But, my heart is really with the people who are trying to rough it out. So we're going to go on another road trip.
Just trying to get home.
7 dead, 10 to 15% of Texans may get power restored today.
Perhaps.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's get out of Texas.
Let's go.
The heck out of Dodge.
Yo. We lost power again. We are in Louisiana. Different hotel. Travel like 4 hours. And here we are. It's in the dark. Oh my gosh. I just want this to end, you guys. Oh my God. Jesus. Bring us in.
Hey y'all, what's up? We're in the hotel. We finish school back to the H tomorrow. Apparently, we got some power over there, so we're gonna see what's good. It's been cool. It's Gandhi.
What day is this? What day of our, what is this even called?
What's good? This is,
Pandemic six.
it's on the run part 4 from the BlackOut.
Okay. Jayla, do you have anything you want to say?
What do I have to say? Cheers to our times together, through good and bad. I'm glad to have each other.
Wow. Way to just dig deep, Jayla. Way to just dig deep. Tomorrow is D-Day, hopefully. Somebody has to have power by tomorrow. Well, I have power, but I don't have hot water. So, we're going home, hopefully. All right. Junie, you have anything you want to say?
Talk to the people.
Junie. Ooh, yep. See, talk to him. No.
I love to pee.
Especially on hotel floors.
The luxury.
All right. See you tomorrow, y'all.
We're on the run.
On the run. Bandits. What are we called? Bandits?
Yeah.
Bandits on the run.
Bandit bangers.
Bandit what?
Bandit bangers?
Now she wants to talk.
Julie
Look.
likes that.
Bandit
bangers.
Junie likes that. Bandit bangers. Go, Juju.
Yeah. Junie snuck into the hotel.
We really did sneak the dog in.
Oh, y'all got a $75 pet deposit? Fuck all that. I'm gonna come through and still pee on your floors. No, we said, okay, Junie. So she's actually the mob boss around here.
Yeah. She's agreeing. Bye, y'all. We are at St. John's Cathedral in Lafayette, Louisiana. How old is this? Oh, it's 100 years old? And then the tree over here is about 500 years old. Wow. Oh, it's cold. It is cold. It is cold. But it's a beautiful day in Lafayette, Louisiana. Oh, wow. That's a thick tree. Let's go check in with the Chickla family. The Chickla family. Little Junie in Jacondi's coat pocket. Not even his coat pocket. In his coat because she's cold. Junie, what do you have to say for yourself?
This is not Junie. This is my elbow. This guy's a dog. Speak up, elbow. Speak up.
And we'll focus on the tree now. That's a really pretty tree. Wow. And then this is the cathedral. This looks kind of new, y'all. I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to say that it ain't 100 years old or nothing, but it looks pretty shiny. You feel me? It looks a little shiny. It looks like there's been some money upgrading,
That sign over there.
So where are we going? All right, we're gonna keep moving. Check in a little bit later with ya. Well, today's the day we go home, but we're just seeing some things of Lafayette, Louisiana. Chickla, do you have anything to say? Okay.
What the heck?
Ooh. Ooh. Get 'em. Go. Birds. Bye, 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 birds. Bye. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
We had some beignets today. Decided if it's successful.
Kumbaya beignet.
Beignets in Louisiana. We're on our way home. Can you see Jayla's driving? Oh yeah, you hold it.
I think we're effectively dealing with concerns such as loneliness, but we have challenges that remain that relate to things like equity. So we make some progress and other issues remain.
Houston, here we come. Oh my goodness. Houston, here we come. Also, beignets kind of taste like an African donut called mandasi. So I feel like it wasn't as impressed as I should have been, but also it could have been because of where we got the beignets from. I want to say it's because of where we got them. So I still need to try the true beignets, you know. But I don't know what I'm saying.
Don't try to.
No, but it was good. I mean, it was good. It was good, but I just thought it was gonna be different. Like I thought it was gonna be like life changing, kinda. But
I'm sure if you had the right one, it'd punch you in the privates.
if I had the what?
If you had the right one, it'd probably punch you in the privates.
Right, and that's what I'm saying is I have to find the right one. I'm not saying it wasn't good, but I'm saying I wasn't like. I don't know if it's just because of like the fact that like we eat mandasi so much, so like I was expecting something different. It was good, but I wasn't as impressed as I feel like I should have been if I had a true beignet.
But I'm sure if you went to Auntie Sally's house, you know, and she gave you some gumbo, some jambalaya, then she made her homemade
Beignets, I'd be like, yo, this is fine, right? I'm not arguing with you.
You would tip her. You wouldn't even feel like you would tip her.
More of the story is beignets are good. They're good. They're good. They also taste very similar to donuts, like Malawian donuts. So, all right, y'all, let's go. Let's get home. I'm over it. Let's get home.
What up, y'all? We made it home. I am in my apartment right now, and I am just so glad that I have power. I have warm water. Y'all, this has been such a trying past couple days, but I'm also just so grateful that we were able to get out, you know? My heart is really with those who couldn't get out and who just toughed through this winter storm and the power outages and lack of water and just, my heart is just so broken, honestly. It's too sad. And we're constantly hearing about like people that have been dying from this winter storm and these power outages and people's homes or roofs caving in because of pipes bursting. Like, I have no words. But we're gonna continue to support and pray for Texas. I don't know, y'all. I'm just glad to be home in my bed, but I just kind of keep thinking about people who don't have that luxury. So I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to go to sleep because I'm tired. Yeah, stay safe, stay warm. We gonna be alright. But alright, y'all, thank you for watching my vlog. Okay, bye.